In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Dot Drama Binge short stories applications. So in order to actually use it, you first need to head over to the search bar and click onto this search option. Search in here for Dot Drama and you can see this. So make sure to install it on your phone. So I already installed mine. So into this case, head over and click onto this open option. And once you have clicked on it, this should be able to load all together into this case, giving you the dot drama option. Do take note that this application, since it is free and gives you a lot of movies, it typically gives out ads like this that you can actually just cross out later on in order to use the application. So into this case, let me just head over and cross out this and it should now open in here this drama. You can see the feeds, you can click onto the heart in order to collect it. You can see some videos and in here on the homepage, you can see a lot of dramas that you can actually watch. So for example, you can click onto this and you can click on episodes in order to choose the episode that you want to watch all together. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.